Okay, so now I've got the door skin back on there. All the clips just sort of go right back into place. You have the electrical connectors through the armrest, and you have this connector through the door handle. So now all you're going to do is reconnect the connectors to the armrest. So the green one is on the left, should just snap right in there. Gray one was in the middle, snap in there, and the smaller gray one is on the end, snaps right in there. That'll go right into place. And then you're going to need the 7mm. Take the 7mm bolt ratchet and screw down the armrest. Doesn't need to be overly tight, but good right there. It is plastic, so you don't want to over tighten it. Make sure that's down. I may have to readjust that in a minute. Then we're going to put the window actuator back in, and this is the one you'll need the 8mm ratchet for. And pause. Okay, so now we have the window container here, actuator. Connect that to this little one here, snap in place, open up the door so you can get that in there. Should just fit in there. Then you're going to take the screw. There were 3 screws to get the door off. 2 of them were bigger, and these are actually on the door, the bottom of the door, and on the left, and the smaller one is for this window. So take that one, still your T20 Torx bit, and it's lined up. Should just go in there nicely. Don't over tighten it. It's just plastic. That looks good. Close the door. So that's back in place. And then you're just going to take the 2 bigger screws, make one on the bottom, one on the left, and that's all done. So it took probably 10-15 minutes at most, and good luck.